Right, hello. My name is David Chinn. I'm president of the Aeronautical Society this year. Today I'm at the RAeS to Space at the Westcott Centre. It's a privilege to be here, and it hits two of my themes this year. One is my design, build, fly theme, and I've got my conference in October, bit of a plug there. The other is the professionalisation of space, and this is about building and testing rocket engines. So I've got the organiser here, and we're going to talk a little bit about what's the aim, if you could say who you are and where you're from, and a little bit of what the students are doing here today.
Yeah, thanks David. So hi, I'm Dr Alistair John from the University of Sheffield. I'm the organiser of the RAeS to Space competition, and what we've got is 19 university teams all building and testing liquid and bipropellant and hybrid rocket engines. So the last 2 weeks they've just hot fired their engines, massively successful. We had 20 or 30 hot fires, generating loads of thrust, and it's really about giving the students that chance to practically build and test something, learn lessons, safely blow stuff up, get access to experts, and really make rapid progress that they wouldn't be able to make otherwise, prepare them to go into industry and just get that opportunity to dream and be ambitious. And the results that we've seen today are brilliant, really inspiring.
Yeah, that's great, Alistair. I mean, this is really a tremendous privilege to be here. It's so much on my theme. It's great that Alistair's put so much personal work in. We're seeing student presentations here today. We're seeing hot firings. It really is about bringing students together to do practical stuff. And Alistair will be at the conference in October, hopefully with a number of students. So Design, Build, Fly, October, Hamilton Place. Thanks, Alistair.
Thank you.